Bret Binder is running for Chester County Magisterial District 15101 Judge. Today, he's answering a few questions about his candidacy. To begin, he'll explain the judge's role.
So a magisterial district judge is there to serve on the people's court. They're there to apply the law with reason and common sense. They hear cases of civil cases up to $12,000 in damages, minor criminal offenses, truancy court, and they hold all of the preliminary hearings for misdemeanors and felonies.
And what can you bring to this position?
Pennsylvania is in the minority of states that still allow non-attorney judges. I'm the only attorney running for the seat and believe that if you're going to have the power to send somebody to jail, you should be trained in the law.
From clerking for the Pennsylvania Supreme Court to representing individuals and businesses for the last decade to co-authoring a book on Pennsylvania evidence, I can bring a knowledge of the law, evidence, and procedure.
More importantly, though, by having practiced for the last decade, I've represented individuals in court and understand how the law and how these courts affect people's lives.
Are there any changes you'd like to make to the court?
Yes, I'd like to change the court to make them both more accessible and more accountable to the people.
This court is supposed to be the people's court and should work more with the community.
I'd love to see a court session once a week before and after the workday so that people don't have to choose between losing a day's pay and showing up to court for a minor offense.
I would like to see the judges travel to the schools to hold the truancy hearings there.
The Court of Common Pleas has a Veterans Court program that's been very successful. So veterans who commit a nonviolent offense, if they have PTSD, similar issues, they can go through a treatment program. If they complete that successfully, they get their record cleared. It's a good program. I'd just like to expand it. The magisterial district courts have very little in the way of oversight. So I'd like to see a data system put into place where they track how many cases are appealed. I would like judges to put on the record the reasoning for their decisions and give people more confidence that there is oversight and there is a way of enhancing training for the judges if they're getting the law wrong.
How does this position affect the people?
Well, Pennsylvania courts have been rocked by a series of scandals lately.
For most people, the Magisterial District Court is the only interaction they will ever have with the legal system. We need to restore integrity to the bench and make sure that the courts are serving the people and justice so that people will have confidence in this important branch of government.
Why do you want this position?
I've tried very hard to give back to the community, from serving on Westchester School Board to serving on a couple local nonprofits. And I think that the opportunity to get on the bench and put in some of the reforms we've discussed, including better oversight, would be a wonderful opportunity for me to give back to the people who've given me so much.